Hi, and welcome to Projects 360. This video is about importing product into a new warehouse for the first time. So once you create your new warehouse, you'll want to go into it. And that new warehouse will have information about the product import up here on top. So if you can read the instructions there, basically it's telling you to go to the warehouse settings, that you can just click on this. Up on top here, it's explaining what this process is. To start the import process, just hit Start Import Process. This is a 4-step process. You can stop along the way at any point before you get to step 4 and restart. So you can do this in different stages. One thing to be aware of though, once you go to step 4, which is finalizing and doing the actual import, it's done. This can only be done once and it cannot be undone. So make sure you're ready to that you're done before you do finalize it on step 4. So on step 1 here, the first thing we're going to want to do, this is where you're going to be able to add your, set up your product, where you can set your minimum, maximum, and warnings that you want for this particular warehouse. But also where you're going to want to set up your UPC code and set the status, what type of product is. Is it a non-inventory product? Is it a bulk product? Is it serial or is it lot? And again, that type you can only set up one time, so make sure you get that right because you can't undo it. For the UPC codes, you can just click on it and then you can take your scanner and just scan the UPC code off the product to get it entered. So just click on the space there and scan and it'll load that for you automatically. You can use the search bar up on top here. So if you're looking for anything specific, you can start typing it in and it'll show you what the product based on what you've typed in. You can select it and see how this one, because it has a UPC code and the type, it's saying ready. So I can hit select and add this to step 2. And I'm going to continue to add things to step 2 as I need. So again, you can sit here and go through your search feature, because what we're searching is your product manager. So we're searching your product manager, and we can again select the items that are ready or get them ready by entering the information and adding them to step 2. So as you can see here, I'm searching by manufacturer. So you can do this again until you get everything that you want over there. After that, you can see now that step 2 is available. So we can click on step 2. And what step 2 is, it's about selecting where in the warehouse you want it, what bin, and the quantity you actually have on hand. You can remove any of the product from steps 2 or 3 right here by highlighting them. So you can, if you do make a mistake, you can undo it. So basically you'll select for the warehouse that we're setting up, the location that you want that in, and then you can put in the quantity that you're bringing in. And as you can see here, now it changed the status to ready. But these two still need the bin and the quantity. So again, I'm going to select the bin. And then I'm going to put in the quantity. And then we have one more to do. And now step 3 is available, so I can go over to step 3. And basically what step 3 is, if there's any serial number products, they'll be listed right down here. And again, you can narrow down the search. I only have one. You're going to select it, and then you're going to scan in with the scanner your serial number that you want to put in there, or you can manually enter it also. So the serial number can be entered manually or scanned, and then you'll save it. And now that's been added to step 3. The bulk items obviously don't have to have a serial number or anything like that. And now we can go to step 4. And remember what I said, step 4 is going to finalize it. You have to check this box. And you're going to have to wait a few seconds. We make it wait to make sure that this is what you want to do. And once you hit this finalize import, it's done. And now you did your initial import. And on a go forward basis, how you're bringing product in and out of a warehouse is through purchase orders. And that's how you do your initial product setup for a warehouse. Thank you, and have a great rest of your day.